We're going to continue our lesson on negative numbers with subtracting positive and negative numbers. Just a quick reminder, if you don't remember how to do this, go back to the addition video and look at the concept of zeros. A zero is when a positive and a negative number cancel each other out. You need to have that concept in order to go on. All right, we're going to start this one with subtracting. The first two are, again, very easy. 5 minus 3 means that I have 5 black tiles, and then I take away 3 black tiles. I erase them, they vanish, they do whatever you want with them. And my answer is that what I have left is 2 black tiles. Basic subtraction, same kind of thing you've been doing all your life. Okay. What happens if I do negative 5, take away negative 3? Well, we have to pull some back because the problem with subtracting is that the numbers disappear when I erase them. But let's put that 5 negative up here. Okay. There's negative 5. Okay. What happens if I take away 3 negatives? Well, I have some negatives there, and I can subtract them. So I'm going to take away 3 negatives, and I am left with 2 red tiles, which means that my answer is negative 2. Okay. Again, as long as the numbers are the same sign, same color, the subtraction is very basic. It just, you put the first number up there and you take away however many of them you need to take away. Now, as with adding, these last two get a little more difficult. Let's do the first one, which is 5 positive, take away 3 negatives. Okay? So there's 5 positives. Right? How am I going to take away 3 red tiles, or 3 negatives? I don't have any red tiles, therefore I can't take away any red tiles. Here's where our zero principle plays in again. How can I get some red tiles up there without changing the value? Well, as long as I put up a black and a red set, I haven't changed the value. That black and red cancel each other out, and I'm still left with 5 black tiles. So now I've got 1 red tile up there. I'm just going to do that again until I have however many red tiles I need. So let's make a copy of that. And let's make another copy of it. Right. I now have 3 red tiles. My absolute value, my value is still 5. I haven't changed anything by doing that because these 3 sets over there are zeros. Right? So, but now I can take away 3 red ones because I have 3 red ones. So let's take away 3 red ones. And my answer turns out to be 8 black ones, or 8 positive. Remember your little rule from when you did algebra, that if you're subtracting a negative, that you change the signs and add? Well, now you can see why that's true. All right, let's do one more. Let's get negative 5. And I want to take away 3 positive. Okay. Let's get rid of these just for a minute, even though it would be nice to have them. Okay, I have negative 5 there. I have 5 reds. And I need to take away 3 blacks, which I don't have. How do I get blacks? The same way I got reds in the last one. I have to put up 0 sets. I have to put up a red-black set. And I have to keep doing that until I have however many blocks I need, and then I can subtract. So I'm going to make another set just like that one, and another set just like that one. Okay. Now I have 3 blacks. I still have a value of -5 because these are all equal to 0. I can subtract 3 blacks. I am left with 8 reds, or my answer is -8. And again, my rule for adding or subtracting negative numbers is that I change the signs. So I change this to a plus, and I change this to a minus. And really, what happens is that this turns into a red 3. I don't know if you can see that on the video or not, but if I had 5 reds and 3 reds, I would end up with 8 reds. So there's your principles for adding and subtracting negative numbers. Go home and practice.